Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best electric bikes in 2025. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best electric bikes. The fifth product on our list is Jasion EB5. Ideal for students, the Jasion EB5 is a low-cost starter e-bike that can travel up to 20 miles per hour. It has a range up to 40 miles, a front suspension, and uses a 350-watt brushless motor, along with 26-inch puncture-resistant tires to provide a smooth ride. The bike is available in 5 colors. You can choose to add fenders and a rear rack as options. Like most e-bikes, this one comes with an LCD screen that displays current speed and other useful information during your ride. We like this e-bike because it has 4 working modes. Using Pass mode, the motor will assist you with a moderate amount of power as you pedal the bike. The Pedal Assist mode offers 3 levels to suit your needs. When you use the Pure Electric mode, you can twist the throttle in any increments of power you want and skip the pedaling altogether. And the Manual mode allows you to pedal just as you would any bike. The bike has a sleek appearance and a lightweight frame. It comes to your door 85% assembled, along with detailed directions on how to complete the assembly. This bike is best suited to riders who are between 5 feet 4 inches and 6 feet 4 inches tall. Up next in 4th place is the HeyBike Mars 2.0. Out of all the e-bikes featured in this roundup, this one is the most well-rounded and versatile for everyday riders. It's also the only model among our top picks, with a convenient folding design. The bike comes pre-assembled in your choice of 4 frame colors: black, orange, gray, or blue. This is a rather affordable e-bike that's able to travel up to 28 miles per hour for a distance of up to 45 miles. Upgrades made to version 2.0 of the Mars e-bike include increased motor power, longer battery life, with shorter charging time, the addition of spring shock absorbers, and easier foldability. You also get mechanical brakes with this e-bike. Another thing we like about the Mars 2.0 is that it comes with front and rear lights pre-installed. This makes the bike safer to ride in the early morning and later in the evening. It also comes with front and rear fenders to keep your clothes clean. When it comes to taking advantage of the e-bike functionality, you can switch between 5 pedal assist modes, or choose Pure Electric or the Manual mode. And thanks to the bike's lockable front suspension fork and suspension seat post, it offers a consistently smooth and comfortable ride. The third product on our list is the electric bike company Model S. One of the main reasons why students love the electric bike company's Model S is because it's highly customizable in terms of appearance and features. The bike can travel up to 28 miles per hour for a distance up to 60 miles between charges. The frame and motor come with a 10-year warranty. The Model S offers a classic step-through style that's comfortable to ride. It's ideal for relaxed riders and commuters, so it's both practical and fun to ride. As part of the customization process, you can choose the ideal wheel size, rims, puncture-resistant tire type, fenders, battery case, battery capacity, handlebar style, trim, seat design, grip style, and accessories. You also have a choice between a direct or 7-speed drivetrain. The Model S is best suited to riders between 5 feet and 4 inches and 6 feet and 10 inches tall. It has a weight capacity of 420 pounds. By the time you're done with all the customizations, what will show up at your door is a well-made, reliable, and easy-to-ride e-bike that caters to your aesthetic taste and riding style. The second product on our list is the electric bike company Model C. Rounding out our compilation of top e-bike choices, the electric bike company's Model C offers a premium look and feel, while providing all the key features that make riding an e-bike a fun experience. The bike can travel at up to 28 miles per hour for a distance of up to 60 miles. It's best suited for a rider between 5 feet and 2 inches and 6 feet and 10 inches. The Model C has a weight capacity of 420 pounds and comes with a 10-year motor and frame warranty. You can choose a pre-designed model or customize your new e-bike for a personalized appearance. Ultimately, the Model C is designed for everyday use, which makes it perfect for commuting to and from school or your job. If you go with the pre-configured e-bike, the Model C is available in either black or red, with leather-stitched grips, an all-weather wooden chain guard, sports fenders, front and back lights, and the option of 24 or 26-inch wheels. A wide range of optional accessories can also be added, from an AirTag bell to a trunk bag, smartphone holder, rear-view mirror, and rear basket. Not only do we absolutely love the look of this bike, but we're impressed with how it rides too. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Ride1Up Prodigy V2, available in 3 colors: onyx black, faded bronze, or sea fog. The Prodigy V2 is a customizable Class 3 electric bike that can reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour. The design provides a smooth and comfortable ride thanks to a German-engineered mid-drive Bros motor and front air suspension with 100 millimeters of travel, which determines how smooth the ride will be when going over rough terrain. High-end components are used throughout the e-bike. The Prodigy V2 has a weight capacity of 300 pounds. Like most e-bikes, this one is water-resistant, but not waterproof. Compared to the Prodigy V1, this latest version offers an upgraded riding experience with a new frame design and other enhanced components that make it a great option for commuting to and from work or school. A variety of accessories, including panniers, a basket, and a phone mount, are sold separately. That's all for our list of the 5 best electric bikes on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products, and remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.